Hello. Welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words your and your. Let's look at each one individually. Your is a contraction of you are. Contractions are often used in informal writing and everyday speech. For example, you're going to love the new restaurant in town. I hope you're feeling better after your surgery. Your is a possessive adjective that shows ownership. For example, is this your pen? Does this pen belong to you? I saw your new car in the parking lot. The new car that belongs to you. If you can replace your with you are in the sentence and it still makes sense, then your is the correct choice. Think of your as related to possession or ownership. To summarize, your is a contraction for you are. Your is a possessive adjective showing ownership. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so we can let you know when we upload.